fans of each other in Galantis. Posted from Glasgow on Sunday, the 18th of February 2018. Hashtag travel. Hashtag Dubai. Hashtag Baku. Posted from Dubai, United Arab Emirates on Tuesday, the 20th of February 2018. Views from bed this morning. Posted from Castle Douglas on Monday, the 19th of February 2018. M shared photos of newborn My Prince. Posted from Coatbridge on Tuesday, the 20th of February 2018. Channeling my inner lesbian. Hashtag Girl Power. Posted from Vanilla Gay Bar, Manchester on Monday, the 19th of February 2018. Digging this architecture and cool design. Fabulous. Posted from Dubai International Airport, United Arab Emirates on Tuesday, the 20th of February 2018. Happy birthday to my wonderful dad. Sorry you have to work today, but I'm sure Saturday will make up for it. Posted from Kirkintilloch on Monday, the 19th of February 2018. Just got pulled out of the police for looking suspicious. FS. I'm rough, no suspicious. Posted from Proven Mill on Tuesday, the 20th of February 2018. Thank God for headphones. For Can't Leg Day to Ed Sheeran's Galway Girl. Posted from Proven Mill on Tuesday, the 20th of February 2018. We urge party with family. Like the Nesbits, loads of laughs. Can't beat of XXXX posted from Falkirk on Monday, the 19th of February 2018. Brick and mortar has finally grown on me. It's weird as fuck, but I love it. Posted on Monday, the 19th of February 2018. Hello everyone, meet Alan. Posted from Glasgow on Tuesday, the 20th of February 2018. This morning sunshine is fucking glorious. Posted from Springburn on Tuesday, the 20th of February 2018. Thanks for all the birthday wishes, everybody. Much appreciated. Currently rough as fuck. Feeling like Gandhi's feet. FTQ. Posted from Proven Mill on Monday, the 19th of February 2018. Hey guys, is anyone good with HTML and could help me with one thing? Posted from Glasgow on Tuesday, the 20th of February 2018.